Hello. Dear students of class 10, we are going to solve mathematics by R.D. Sharma, chapter 1, exercise 1.1, real numbers, question 2. So if you follow all of my videos, you can score good marks in board examination. So the question is, prove that the product of three consecutive positive integers is divisible by 6. So we will let n plus 1 and n plus 2 be three consecutive positive integer for integer n. So if any number is divided by 6, then we get the form 6 cube or 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 2 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 4 or 6 cube plus 5 or integer cube. So the remainder will be less than 6. So the case 1, n is equals to 6 cube. So we will get n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is equals to 6 cube, 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 2. So we are getting the multiple of 6. So we can write, hence it is divisible by 6. So moving towards case 2. Case 2. N is equals to 6 cube plus 1. So we will get the product n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. So we can write 6 cube plus 1 into 6 cube plus 2 into 6 cube plus 3. So from here we will take common. So what will be common here? Here will be 6 cube plus 1. Here 2 will be common. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. So 3 into 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. So we can write this 2 and multiplication of this 3. 6 cube plus 1, 3 cube plus 1, 2 cube plus 1. So it is multiplied by 6, so it is divisible by 6. So it is divisible by 6. So moving towards our case 3. Case 3. N is equals to 6q plus 2. So we can write n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. So n is 6q plus 2, n plus 1, 6q plus 3. So n is 6q plus 4. So from here we will take common. We are getting 2 as common. 2 2 times 3 into 1. Here 3 is common. So we got 3 and 2 as common. So we will multiply and we will get 6. So 3 times 2, 3 times 1, 6 cube plus 4. So here we are not taking common. So we will get 3 times 2, 6. So it is also divisible by 6. 2 cube plus 1 into 6 cube plus 4. We can take here common, but we are getting before that, then why should I take common? That's why I am writing here. It is divisible by 6. So moving towards case 4. Case 4. We have total 6 cases. So n is equals to 6q plus 3. So we can write n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. So we will get n value is 6q plus 3. So n is 6q plus 3. So 6q plus 4. 6q plus 5. So here 3 is common. 2 cube plus 1. Here 2 is common. 3 cube plus 2. Here we don't need common. So we can write here 6. 2 cube plus 1. 3 cube plus 2. 6 cube plus 5. So it is also divisible by 6. We have many more methods for this question, but I am doing the easiest method. So case 5. N is equals to 6 cube plus 4. N into n plus 1 into n plus 2. So n is 6 cube plus 4. So we can take 6 cube plus 5 and 6 cube plus 6. So directly we will take from last here common. We don't need to take much more common to complicate this question. 2 plus 5, 6 is common. So q plus 1. So we can write this 6 here. x cube plus 4, x cube plus 5, and cube plus 1. Hence, it is divisible by 6. So last case is case 6. N is equals to 6 cube plus 5. So n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. So n is 6 cube plus 5, and here is 6 cube plus 6, and here is 6 cube plus 7. So we will get in the second portion we will take common root. Make the question easy. Cube plus 1 and 6 cube plus 7, 6 cube plus 5, and we will write the 6 here, and cube plus 1, and 6 cube plus 7. So we can write, hence it is divisible by 6. So thanks for this question, and if you liked my video, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. I will try to solve as soon as possible, and if you follow all of my videos, you can score good marks in board examination. That's all. Thank you.